What's up guys, Lightning McQueen here at Flushing Avenue Station on the J&M. We got elevator 393. Alright, let's just get this show on the road. Well, we got people who need elevators too. Okay, let's get started. Oh, alright, we got 393 with the capacity of 2,500 pounds. So this elevator was placed into service somewhere around 2001 or 2002. However, this elevator was, well, all three elevators were closed somewhere in 2020, and then they were renovated by 2022. Well, let you know how it goes for the next two elevators. Here it is for the street level. Okay, we got elevator 395. Alright, let's go to the platform. Okay, to find the elevator, it's at the front for the Manhattan bound platform. For Queens bound, the elevator is at the rear. The capacity is 2,500 pounds for elevator 395.
Going down. Bajando.
This elevator is bilingual too. Go ahead, guys. Alright, well, obviously mothers with strollers have to take the stairs since they're much heavier than usual. Anyway.
Going up, subiendo.
Yeah, looks like we got some bilingual elevators here. Alright, I'll let you know for the Queens-bound platform. Oh yeah, there's Burlington in there too. Wow. Alright, cool. This is the elevator to Queens. Let me just press the up button. Elevator 394. Okay, so here's the thing. The original elevators were placed into service by 2001. However, like I said, due to its old age, basically it has to be replaced. Oh, we got the J Express. Thank God I didn't hear it. Elevator 394. The capacity is 2,500 pounds. Ooh, gotta get out of here. Alright guys, let me know which elevators you want me to do next. Alright? For Queens bound, it's at the rear. For Manhattan bound, it's at the front. See you next time, boys.